Princess Fun Place. Today, I'm going to show you 3 Peppa Pig videos again. Because this one, they'll have different videos in them. So let's get started off with Peppa Pig at school when it's her first day. Let's see how she does. So you can start watching it. First bus stop is Suzy. Suzy's gonna come in the bus. And she's so excited for her first day of school. She's gonna go like, yay, first day of school, yay, I love the bus, too. I hope I get to sit next to Peppa. So that's Suzy's spot. Now they're going to go to Zoe's. So they're going to go to Zoe's bus stop now. So next is Zoe's bus stop. Bing bong bing, bing bong bingly bongly boo. Bing bong bing, bing bong dingly bongly boo. Hey, Suzy, can I sit next to you? No, I want Peppa to sit next to me. Okay, I'll just. Yay, I like sitting with Pet Show. Last but not least, bus stop is Peppa's bus stop. Welcome, Peppa. I know it's your first day of school. Just sit next to Suzy. Okay, Miss Rabbit. Next stop is school. Everyone get out. Peppa, you can go first because this is your first time at school. Thank you, Miss Rabbit. Peppa. First day of school, right? Yes. What does a mean? Hi. That's what it means. So that's what I'm going to say every single morning. Yes, ma'am, Miss Gazelle. I didn't even tell you my name, but you just knew it. Well, my parents told me my new teacher would be Miss Gazelle. So then so now I know. Your name is Miss Gazelle. Very well, Peppa. Suzy. You may go to your desk next to Peppa because Peppa's a bit lonely. This is her first day of school, so you can sit next to her. Zoe, you can go to your desk. Petro's not coming to school because he's just sick. He just wanted to go to the bus. That's all he wanted to do. Children, we're just going to do some work and then go outside and then we're going to read a book. Yay, book. Okay, children, now we're going to read a book. It's about Frozen. It goes like this. Hi, I'm Olaf. I like warm hugs. Do you like warm hugs? 'Cause I'm Olaf. I'm just a little snowman that can talk. But I like Elsa the most. She is very icy. Anna and Kristoff always go on an adventure a lot. Sven, my reindeer friend, he tries to bit my carrot nose. Ha ha ha! All of these people are my friends. Anna and Elsa are sisters. Kristoff and Sven go together because they've been together when they were little. And me, Olaf, I was made by Elsa. So I'm one of Elsa's family. The end. Yay, that's our favorite story. And Peppa, since you've been so quiet, I think you could clip up. You're going to clip up to pink. Very good, Peppa. You are such a good girl. Recess! Yay, I love recess. So everyone's going outside. Yay, 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 recess, recess, recess. Anyways, I like to go swing. That's my favorite thing to do. I like to go slide. Peppa always likes to go slide. Why don't she try something new? I want to go slide. Whee! I love going slide. Whee! That was fun. Whee! Whee! Peppa is pushing her friend Suzy on the swing. And Miss Gazelle is watching them how they play. Kids, recess is over. Yay. Peppa, you get to clip up to purple because you let Suzy go on the slide and you were pushing your friend Suzy. And you were letting Zoe go on the slide with you. So let's clip you up. So she's in purple now. If you ever know the clipstick, this is what the clipstick is. Okay, so now we're going to do our ABCs. A, B, C, D. So that's what we're going to stop for today. Now we're going to count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, that's how we're going to stop 4. And tomorrow we're going to count to 7. Or probably even 9. That is even better than 7. Peppa, could you please count to 4 for us? 1, 2, 3, 4. Suzy, could you please count to 4 for us? 1, 2. Oh, I don't know the other number. Okay. Well, can you just say 1, 2, 4? Can you say 1, 2, 4? 1, 2, 4. Okay. Well, the number that's before 4, is 3. Okay, so can you count 1, 2, 3? 1, 2, 3. Good job, Suzy. Zoe, could you please count to 5? Because everyone was counting to 4. I guess you could count to 5. Yeah, I can. I can count to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can count to 6. That's even more than 5. Peppa, you were being so quiet. You were only talking when I told you to talk. You get to clip up to blue, and I'm serious. Peppa, this is so much fun for you. Peppa, do you know what it means to be blue? No, I've never been here. Okay, it means you get a roar ticket and you get to buy anything in the Roar Bash. Yay! Oh, we didn't even get to clip up. I'm sorry. Well, you guys are just staying on green. And Peppa was blue. See, I have some blue. So this is kind of the color she's going to be on. Everyone, it's time for home. But first, you guys need to pack up. Peppa, could you please clip yourself back to green? Yes, Madam Gazelle. Could you please mark yourself blue? Yes, ma'am, Madam Gazelle. First day at school, you're blue. See, Peppa's blue today. Peppa is blue even in here. That's for your parents to sign on. Thank you, Madam Gazelle. Home time. Everyone hop in the bus. Yay. Hey, Suzy, can I face the window? Yes, because it's your first day of school. Everyone ready to go home? Yes, Miss Rabbit. Then let's go. Wow, Peppa Pig did a great job. She flipped up to blue. That's almost off the chart, which off the chart is great. I know some people don't have that at their schools, but I do. Peppa Pig deserves to have a great time now. Today, Peppa Pig is going to go to the skating rink, and princesses are going to skate there. Very nice ones. So let's get started and play with these Peppa Pig toys. Oh, I'm sweating like a pig today. Boys and girls, Peppa, George, I have a surprise for you. Yes, Daddy. Let's go to the surprise, and you will see what the surprise is. Okay. A princess skating show. This is awesome. Hop out of the car, kids. Let's go to the door. So they're already here, and they're going to climb up the slide to get to Mommy Pig. Oh. Here we are. I'm here with Mommy. Hey, Daddy, I got the best place so we could see the best. Sophia and James got good places too. Yay! Now it's George's turn to climb up the slide. Here we are. Whee. I know a great place for George. Over here. Peppa is going to be somewhere too. Now Peppa is going to go the dangerous way, but she's a big kid. So she can go whatever way she wants. So Peppa is going to be in a special place. Oh, everybody is on the places. It's going to start soon.
Yay!
Sure, Peppa. But when's it going to start?
Now!
Now!
And I have my own Prince Charming. He's my one true Valentine. Oh, wouldn't it be dreamy to be a real princess? And to have my handsome prince come sweep me off my feet? Well, you never know. Remember, if you wish upon a star, that dream might come true. Oh, that would make the most wonderful Valentine's Day ever. A wishing star! I wonder if my Valentine's dream could ever come true.
Want to see the wishing star?
Valentine's Day, weren't you? Well, yes, I was. And that, my dear, is what we fairy godmothers are for. Do you mean you can actually turn me into a princess? Oh, but of course I can. All it takes is 3 little magical words. 3 words? Oh, yes. Everybody knows those words. What are those words again? I don't suppose any of you happen to remember my 3 magical words, do you? Oh, good. Well, what are they? You think you know what they want? Oh, my goodness. How could I have forgotten? Of course. Well, my friends, since you know those magical words so well, let's begin. On the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. It's so beautiful. Oh, fairy godmother, how can I ever thank you? Oh, you don't need to thank me yet. We've only just started, my dear. Only part of your dream. Only part of my dream? Oh, yes. And if I become a princess, how would I know when I met the prince of my dreams? Oh, that's an interesting question, my dear. How would you know? Well, perhaps you might learn the answer by meeting some other princesses who may have asked the same question. Oh, do you think I'm clever? Why, of course you can, my dear. A little wave of the wand, and we're off to find your answer. Look, it's Princess Jasmine and Aladdin. Why, so it is, my dear. Oh, it's so good to see you. But Aladdin, how does she know you love her? Oh, I can answer that question for you, my dear. When you know someone loves you, a whole new world opens before you. looking for you. No, it is a tale as old as time. was, and also wanted to find true love, until Cinderella did find out what love was after all. Well, before you can answer that question, you first have to know who you are yourself.
You mean Aunt Mulan? When she saw her reflection?
That's right.
Look at me. I will never pass for a perfect bride or a perfect daughter. Can it be? I'm not meant to play this part. Can it be that if I were truly to be myself, I would break my family's heart? Oh, is that girl I see staring straight back at me? When will my reflection show who I am inside? When will my reflection show who I am inside?
Oh, dear. I hope I find the answer to that question someday.
Now, my dear, never give up on your dreams.
Someday my dreams will come. Someday I'll find my love. And all it will be. Only the prince of my dreams wants to be. Whisper my love is
This is such a beautiful dream. Thank you for sharing it with me.
Oh, you're welcome, my dear. But you see, sometimes it takes the help of others to give their love a little extra push.
Oh, it's Ariel and Prince Eric.
Why, so it is.
You see her sitting across the way. She don't ride out to sing, but there's something about her. And you don't know what, but you're dying to try him on. Kiss the girl. Kiss the girl. Yes, you want her. Possible she wants you to. There is one way to ask her. It don't take a single word.
has to get George off of here. George, I'm going to take you off there. Let's go now, George. Go. Woo. Peppa, it's time to go home. Oh, not yet. I don't want to go home. We have to, Peppa. We'll do it again. So we'll do it again next year. Okay. I forgot the gas. And now I have to push the car. Oh, Daddy! Okay. We're here at the gas station now. Put in gas. Put out some gas. And we're going back home. I hope you liked the ball. The last story is Peppa Pig at the farm. Enjoy, please. Today, Peppa's going to the farm, and she's never been to the farm. She's so excited, and they always have to eat their breakfast. And look what they have for breakfast. Yummy! They have orange juice too, and they have fruits. And look what else they have. They have their own refrigerator, and look what they have in their refrigerator. So they're not going to eat what they have in their refrigerator. They're going to eat what they have on the table. If they don't, they'll have to go hungry. Because Mommy Pig's not taking any snacks. So let's get started because I'm so excited. Kids, wake up and put your clothes on. George, it's time to wake up. We have our breakfast, but first we have to dress. Hey kids, don't forget to wash your teeth. Okay, Mama. We're all finished. Let's go eat our breakfast. So George is eating on the front side, and he's gonna face Peppa. So Peppa's on the back side. They're gonna gobble up our food. I'm all done, Mama. Me too. Then let's go to the farm. Daddy Pig, why don't you go with us? Oh, because I'm so tired. I have to watch some TV. Okay. Well, then we're on our way. We're going to be on our way in 5 minutes. Or probably in 1. Okay, kids, have fun. We will, Daddy Pig. We're going down the hill. Kids, we're here. Yay! I'm going to take out Peppa first today. Yay! Oh, come on, little Georgie. Hi, everyone. I'm Old MacDonald. Would you like to check out my farm? Yes, we do. Hooray, hooray, hooray for that. Would you like to see my animals? This is Lucky. My horse is Lucky. No. He's so nice. I can pet him. Go back in, Lucky. There you go. This is Belle. She is a girl. She's so sweet. Aww. She even has her own little bell. Ding, 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 ding. Go in, back bell. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. Who else do you have? Well, this is my pet sheep. His his name is Frank. And he loves people. He even likes to lick them. Oh, sheep, sheep, sheep. Yay. Bah, bah. Oh, hello, Mrs. Sheep. I mean, Mr. Sheep. Ooh. Let's do it from the other way. And this is my pig. Her name is Layla. Would you come out for me, Layla? I'm Piggy. Hey, we're piggies too! Yay! I made my own friend at the farm. Can we go here every single Saturday? Okay, but only special Saturdays. Like when you don't have your ballet class, okay? Okay, only on those Saturdays. Hop back in, Layla. What is up there? Oh, that is my chicken named Cockle-Doodle-Doo. That's his name, everyone. And she can really sing. Yay, that's amazing. But Mommy, I have something I think I really want to do. What is it, Peppa? What is it? Oh, it's climbing up a pumpkin and then jumping into hay. Do you like that? Yeah, me and George love that. Then go on, Peppa and George. Yay! That is so much fun. I love the hay. Oh, let's jump in again. Yay, yay, yay. Whee! It's so much fun. Let's go up. Yay! Whee! One more time. Yay! Kids, it's time to go home. Oh, I don't want to go home, but I know it's lunchtime if we have to go home. It is, kids. Now, let's go. Goodbye, Belle and Lucky. We'll see you soon. Goodbye, Old MacDonald. Goodbye, Frank. Goodbye, Layla. Goodbye, Cockle-Doodle-Doo. I almost fell in my seat. Oh, George, you're so funny. We're going down the hill. And this is all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye, everybody. Bye. I hope you like this video.